This comfortable cedar home's natural siding reflects its brilliant brown tones, but if you begin to look closely, this home is very green. It's not an optical illusion here, but rather the way the house is built, with care for both the environment and the future.
The systems are still developing, and it may take many years to incorporate them all, but you can plan a house to be able to integrate many of the green design features over time. And so we have been in a transition since we've started building this home, adding in the different systems as we could afford them and as we could put the time into them ourselves.
Though some green design elements need to be considered in a home's initial design, many features are suitable as a home improvement. Jack took the time to show us a few of his key green features.
Once you get past the first principle of space heating, which is to keep the heat inside the building, then the next key value is how do you take advantage of the free heat of the sun so that it can heat your home. In this part of the world, we can get 50 to 60% of our total annual space heating requirements from the sun if we design it appropriately. In this case, we've got a two-story passive solar sun space here where the sun space is isolated from the rest of the home such that we can bring that heat in when we want it, or we can exhaust it out when we don't.
The large windows let the sun's heat in, then inside, thermal mass holds that heat.
Use water, which is the best means to absorb temperatures. So you can see down below here we have a water tank that is full of water. That water is rainwater that is then reused, heated up, stores that heat during the day, releases it back at night, and when we need it we can use it for irrigation of the many plants that we have growing inside the sun space. In green home design, energy isn't our only concern, and water conservation is equally important, if not more important, in this day and age. We do rainwater harvesting here, and being able to capture the rain from the roof of this house, and then using conserving drip irrigation systems, we can then allow rainwater to irrigate all the plants that are around the perimeter of the house, inside the sun space, and all the way up to the roof garden.
In the interest of water conservation, Jack has also installed a grey water reuse system.
And it serves for us to allow us to take all of our bath and shower water, bring it down into a tank and filter that tank water, and then send it back to our toilets as black water is flushed away to the septic system at that time. It saves us about a third of the entire water use in this home. So another key feature that we have on this house is solar hot water, solar thermal, and this is what would refer to as an active solar system. Over my shoulder you can see a flat plate solar panel, and right now we have water running through that. Today my controller is telling me that the temperature inside that collector is 63 degrees centigrade, and the temperature in the tanks down below that are 20 degrees, so we're getting a good transfer of heat today.
Add to this a tranquil rooftop garden, serene riverside views, and plenty of tall trees, and green home choices become as desirable as they are responsible.
I think it's important because financially, for one, things aren't getting any cheaper, and having the sun help pay your bills is very helpful, and it's just nice to know that we're leaving less of a footprint. We're starting to have grandchildren now, and we just want to know that we're leaving a better earth for them to come to.
In Nanaimo, for Shaw TV, I'm Derek Johnstone.